in 2023, I wrote first 2 articles about this Deathonomics, which I called it. And the main idea there was that if someone, young male, like 35 years of age, living in some of Russia's, not the poorest region, but just average region, like Ryazani region, not too far from Moscow, Kurgan region in the southern Urals, or some other regions like this. If a guy, 35 years old, wants to be enlisted in the army, he will get, first of all, some kind of regional premium for signing the contract, for signature of the contract, for concluding it. Then he will be sent to the front line. He will serve 6 months, and then he's killed. So in this case, if all the payments, there are many of them, is insurance, state insurance, corporate insurance from the Ministry of Defense, 5 million rubles Putin promised to pay for the first days of the war if someone is killed, a regional payment for deceased. So if you combine this, it would be around of 30 annual incomes of this particular person if he is employed and gets average wages in his region. So therefore, if you are 35, living in Kurgan, if you want to go to the front and to being killed, your family will get more money than you can earn till the end of your life. And this changed a lot of it, because as I wrote the time, the death to die is the most economically effective form of using your life. This is what Putin made by the summer of 2023. And this system works till now, and therefore Russian army still has no critical shortages of manpower.